Welcome back to Bitcoin Ape. Today, we're diving into the 5 best practices for trading Bitcoin on Robinhood. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these tips will help you maximize your gains and minimize risks. Let's get started. First things first, understand Robinhood's fee structure. While Robinhood advertises commission-free trading, it's essential to know that they make money through a spread on Bitcoin transactions. The Bitcoin Ape has found this spread can vary depending on the market, but typically expect the spread to be 300 points. This means the price you buy or sell Bitcoin for is slightly different from the market price. Always account for this spread when calculating your potential profits and losses. For example, you buy Bitcoin at a 1,500 point drop. Notice that when you go to execute the trade, the price you are buying at is 300 points higher than what you wanted. That's because this is how trading platforms make their money. Always check your buy/sell spread price to determine which platform has the best offer. Tip number 2, set price alerts. Bitcoin's price can fluctuate rapidly, so it's crucial to stay informed. Robinhood allows you to set up custom price alerts. These alerts help you know when Bitcoin reaches a specific price point, giving you the edge to buy low or sell high. Be advised that while these alerts are nice to have, you will often not hear the notification bell. There is no way to make it louder, and so oftentimes you will miss a trade in the middle of the night, or when you are busy. This is why it's crucial for you to have your notification bell turned on after subscribing to the Bitcoin Ape channel. If the market moves up or down more than 1,500 points, a YouTube Shorts video will be created and published to you and other subscribers. Tip number 3, use limit orders instead of market orders. A market order buys or sells Bitcoin at the best available price, which might not be favorable due to high volatility. A limit order, on the other hand, lets you set a specific price to buy or sell. This way, you have more control over your trades and avoid unexpected costs. Remember that once you make this trade, it cannot be undone and will remain in effect for 90 days. Tip number 4, diversify your portfolio. While Bitcoin is a popular choice, it's always a good practice to diversify. Robinhood offers several other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Spreading your investments can help you mitigate risks and take advantage of growth in other digital assets. And finally, tip number 5, stay updated with market news and trends. Bitcoin Ape provides news updates, trends and price alerts, but it's also wise to follow multiple news sources, financial analysts, and social media channels. Knowing the market sentiment can help you make better decisions and stay ahead of market movements. There you have it. The 5 best practices for trading Bitcoin on Robinhood. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things Bitcoin. Happy trading!